Good evening, everyone. Up for Raz is a dropship item. It is an inflatable 6-person boat that comes with a motor and has all sorts of other amenities that you can check out here. I have 10 spots at $4.95 a spot. I'm going to go down and copy that list. Gonna paste up. Let's go back. We copied our list. We're going to go live. We are live at 9:12. 9:12. We're gonna go paste our list. 10 items. Need a 4 or higher on the dice. Gonna roll the dice at 9:12. We have an 8. We're going to do our first random. It's rolling over to 9:13 p.m. First random at 9:13. There are 10 items on the list. We have an 8 on our dice. We're going to continue on for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After the 7th time, 10 items on the list, randomized 7 times. We have Johnny Smith on top, Miss Lindsay Bajents on bottom. Our dice calls for an 8. We're going to do our last and final random, 9:13. Good luck, everyone. 10 items on the list. Spot 5, Miss Marcia Dickerson. You win a spot on the main. We have 10 items on the list. We've randomized 8 times. The dice did call for an 8. We are done. Final timestamp, 9:13. 9:13.